If you're a basketball junkie looking to amp up your trivia game, you need to catch these jaw-dropping highlights from the 2024 NBA Finals. First up, the scoring explosions. Did you know that in Game 3, the winning team scored a staggering 150 points, setting a new NBA Finals record? This game wasn't just a showdown, it was a fireworks display of hoops and alley-oops. Next, let's talk about comebacks. In Game 5, one team overcame a 25-point deficit at halftime to snatch a victory in the final seconds, thanks to a half-court buzzer beater. This wasn't just a game, it was a heart-racing thriller that kept us on the edge of our seats. And finally, the MVP magic. The Finals MVP set a record by averaging a triple-double throughout the series, a feat that had the statisticians scrambling through the history books. This player didn't just play, they redefined what it means to dominate on basketball's biggest stage. So, whether you're a casual fan or a hardcore enthusiast, these highlights from the 2024 NBA Finals are sure to make your jaw drop. Stay tuned for more unbelievable sports moments